Hi and welcome to my Aao Baatein Kare family. And if you are new to my channel, a very warm welcome to you too. Do not forget to press the red subscriber button. Okay, so today I'll be showing you my 5 initial oracle or tarot cards or decks, and this is a very good start for somebody who is just getting into all this, and it is a very good idea for gifting also. Okay, so I'll show you. This was my first card. It's kind of more of an oracle card theme, more or a basic wisdom cards or healing cards. It's beautiful and very simple and very wonderful, deep meaning, and just right for the beginners. So this card or this box will always hold a very special place in my heart, because during COVID times we were not getting courier, and these cards take about 2 to 3 weeks to reach here, most of them. Okay, so I'll show you these cards. First, there are 50 cards. Let me show you this. I have done the unboxing, you can see this anytime. So there is beautiful message in front and a wonderful explanation behind. So let's read this card. Release the need to complain. Today's lesson: honestly assess whether you are a complainer, no matter whether you share complaints with others or keep them to yourself. This tendency is a way of looking at a situation without seeing its potential blessings. Your goal to release the predilection to complain and instead see the positive sides of things. Beautiful. As I told you all, this card is simple and wonderful, deep meaning. So I always love these cards. See, they have got very cheerful messages and with lessons behind. So you can just use it for excuse me. So you can use it for your initial readings, or just with your friends. This is the card on the deck. So I'll show you. I love the back side of the card. They're all different colors, as you can see: brown, yellow, green, dark green. In essence, you can go out and check the unboxing, that will give you a better idea. Be mindful of conflict. And the card is just right size, just the right thickness. For shuffling, it is very easy and good. So for anybody, I will recommend this as one of the initial cards, oracle or tarot, before starting any on them or more complicated cards. This is a very beautiful beginning. Let me show you the back side. They're a bit jumbled. I'll have to sort it out. Okay, so this was my initial card. This is by Caroline Myss. I even follow her on YouTube. She's a wonderful videos, thought processes, lectures. I really appreciate what she says, and I can resonate with it. Okay, so my second, I think this was my second card deck, I Can Do It cards. This is by Louise Hay, and I think there are about 50 cards. They don't say. I think there are 50 cards. So this is a very different box. It's a beautiful, cute square box. Here also there are both the sides. Initially there is a big thick message and a complimentary message on the back side as well. read this. I'm in the process of making positive changes in all areas of my life, and I have the strength to remain calm in the face of change. So you can use this as the first initial side and this as an explanation. These are mostly complementary to each other. So they are very different. They are a square, small squares like coasters, and very colorful, simple, like a simple drawing by a kid, very happy. It's got a very beautiful and, what do you say, colorful or sunny theme to it, for sleep, for meditation. They are all mixed up. The joy I find in my career is reflected in my overall happiness. I have unlimited potential, only good lies before me. So you can use it as small mini affirmations also. There are kind of affirmations in the morning, evening, afternoon, or you can pull out a few cards to help you find that direction or the affirmation for the day. Today, no person, place, or thing can irritate or annoy me. I choose to be at peace. I am neither too little nor too much. I do not have to prove myself to anybody. Yeah. So they are very positive, affirmative cards. And these are very good for gifting also. Okay. Okay, let me put this back. And guys, now you can Google search Aao Baatein Kare. If you type Aao Baatein Kare, you will get all the platforms Aao Baatein Kare is on. So please go and check it out, and please follow me and subscribe to me on all the platforms possible. So okay, this is my third. I don't think I've done an unboxing of this. I've done the unboxing of this deck. Okay, this was my initial tarot cards. Animal tarot card. This is by Doreen Virtue and Radial Valentine. This is a 78 card deck, and there is a book also. I'm not sure the book is here, somewhere else. There is a booklet also with this card. Okay, now this has got a clear front and a back. See this. This is the back side, common for every card. A beautiful kitten. Can't call it. It's like a big cat, I think. Kitten is too small a word for this. White, and there's a crown here. So it's a beautiful purple background, and this is the front side of the card. And there is beautiful explanation below the card. Let me read out this one for you. 7 of Autumn. The planning, resources and efforts you have invested in your dream will reap great rewards. In the meantime, have patience and meditate on your next steps. See this. Beautiful. So this can be pulled anytime. They are self-explanatory. This word is very difficult for me every time. Koala, 4 of Winter. Thoroughly think things through before making a decision. Continuing to overanalyze isn't going to get you closer to a resolution, but meditation and prayer will bring the answer you seek. Beautiful. It's like a hibernating card. So I'll show you. And there are different colors. See the colors on this side. This is a different blue. I hope you can see there's no blue. And these are dark maroonish red. 5 of Summer. So mostly there are thick earthy like blue, green, purple, dark blue. These are the main arcanas, the world. Shetland Shepherd. Congratulations on successfully accomplishing what you set out to do. You made it through the challenges and incorporated lessons life offered you with grace and courage. So these cards I'll just show you. Mostly there are animals in this. Obviously this is the animal tarot. but very beautifully they have used the background and the description below. So this can be a very initial card for yourself or a gift for somebody else. Okay, I'll just show you the cards so you'll have an idea what you will get if you buy or purchase this box. Here. And guys, please like and share my videos or podcast. Somebody is meant to hear this positive message today, and this may be your good deed of the day. And as I always say, talk to one another, stay connected with each other. एक दूसरे से बातें करते रहिए, एक दूसरे से जुड़े रहिए, and smile if possible at people around you. Maybe you're the only person who has smiled at him or her that day. So that will be a very good deed of the day for you or by you. Because there are many ways a person can do service. Not necessarily you have to just do it in cash. Being kind to somebody, smiling at somebody is also a very, very positive or good way of doing service or helping someone out. Especially during these pandemic times, it's very necessary to have a soul connect, awakening, renewal, Jesse. And you can even go and check out all the platforms of Aao Baatein Kare. And if you enjoy podcast, I have a podcast with the same name, Aao Baatein Kare. And a special message for everybody, in YouTube as well as a podcast, there is a setting where you can increase the speed to nearly about twice the the speed at which it is moving. So if you want to hear my videos faster or any videos faster, there is a setting, go check it out, because I have to speak at a particular pace for everybody to understand. Moon, the Emperor. I have even added a new series or started a new series of short stories. So you will find it separately in my playlist if you want to see them all together. And I've also made a new playlist of where I'm putting all how to learn tarot. So you can even go and check that out. So this is the back side. Oh, 10 of summer. This is the 10 of cups. Okay, so this is my third deck. So let's see. And if you like the videos or podcasts that you see or hear, please share with friends and family on all your groups, because whole day we are sharing so many messages and I think most of them are so depressing. So why not share a beautiful, inspirational or entertaining video of mine or anyone's. I have even put up affirmations and meditations. You can go and check it out. Okay, so this is my fourth deck. This is an oracle card deck. The answer is simple. I loved it. It was so to the point. It is a 62 card deck by Sonia Choquette. Okay, I like it, the green and orange. It's a very fresh. I like bright colored cards. So the book is here. I have a unboxing of this in my channel. You can go and check it out. Okay, so let me show you a few of the cards. On the back side All of them have the same theme with a beautiful dark orange border, which is, and this bird, the same pic which is on the deck. Okay, so this is also a very initial deck of mine, and I think this is good for anybody who's starting or who is just, if tarot or oracle is your hobby, so you can just do it with friends, with your family, just as a entertainment or hobby also. So let me show you. Don't sweat the small stuff. The pics are so beautiful and there is a message above, but even for more detail you can anytime refer to the book. Put others first. You are not afraid. They are messages as well as affirmations. Take bite-sized steps, baby steps, what we keep saying, baby steps. Accept love, yeah, allow love, open your heart chakra. Reclaim your art, do something which fills up your cup of life, what you really enjoy doing. Just sing. You may like to sing, you may like to dance, you may like to cook, you may like to draw, anything you like. You should do or take some time in a day for that thing. And I have even added a new series of Hindi videos. अगर आप हिंदी समझते हैं प्लीज़ वो जाके आप देखिए, उसके लिए मैंने एक अलग हिंदी का प्लेलिस्ट बनाया है. आई हैव मेड अ सेपरेट प्लेलिस्ट ऑफ हिंदी वीडियोस and even poems. So this is what you will get. So this also I will recommend as a very initial deck, simple, beautiful. Share your gifts or you are safe. This is very important because every human feels very unsafe. Insecurity is part and parcel of our growth, but especially during pandemic times it is very important that we feel safe. We can even use this affirmations to tell ourselves or our kids, our family members. Seek an expert. Maybe you need an expert advice on some problem of your life. Maybe your friend, you need a therapy or a chat session with your friend. So I'll show you these cards. They're a beautiful colorful cards. See, as you can see, rise and shine, lend a hand, help someone, be kind to someone, clean up your mess, close all your untied, or what do you say, close up all your unending or untied chapters in life, begin afresh, clear the fog. So for more details you can even refer to the booklet, Talk to God, meditate. So on the back side, and there are 68 cards. That's such a beautiful thing. So such a good initial start with oracle and tarot. See the light, be courageous. Maybe you need to take an initial step on something. Drop it. Drop anything that does not serve you anymore. First you have to drop it energetically for it to physically drop out of your life. Start anew. See this caterpillar, from there it is transforming into a beautiful butterfly. So this is my fourth card, fourth deck. Now I'll show you getting into the vortex. This is my fifth deck. This is by Esther and Jerry Hicks, The Teaching of Abraham. I really like her teachings and what she says and how well she expresses it. Okay, in this, these are getting how to get manifestations into your vortex. If you have seen Abraham Hicks, you will understand what I'm trying to say here. So anything that you manifest, you have to be vibrationally aligned to that thing. If you want to be new love, you have to first love yourself, be happy, take care of yourself, and be vibrationally aligned or in a high vibe. Okay, so there is the first, should I leave or should I stay? Okay, so this is a question. This can be regarding a relationship, it can be regarding your job or any other. Maybe you want to change a city, take a new job, and there is an explanation behind. Okay, let me read this out to you. It is very empowering to discover that your patterns of thoughts do not have to follow your current situation, and therefore your current situation on all subjects can change. We do not recommend taking the physical action of leaving a relationship without deliberately coming into alignment with the new desire that has been born out of your current relationship. And then whether you stay in the relationship or not, or move on to another, you can have exactly what you desire. Yep, so it is on your desire what you want to do. So before physically doing something, first you have to be clear in your mind, and once you're vibrationally aligned to that new desire, it will automatically take place. So these are beautiful learnings. I can attract relationships that agree with my desire. I'll read out of you. I have the unboxing of this card also. The law of attraction assembles happy relationship. I do not ask others to become different for me. No judging. The law of attraction assembles all cooperative relationships. So this is also my very favorite deck. I can focus on what I do and want in relationship. By focusing upon the wanted characteristics of those around you, you train your vibrational offering to match only the best in them, and then the law of attraction can no longer match up to you and up with the worst in them. When you focus upon the worst of them and train your vibration offering to match only the worst in them, the law of attraction can no longer match up with the best of them. Yeah, if you look for the bad, you will get bad. If you look for the good or positive, you will find more good and positive. So these are mostly about relationships, life in general, and the power you have to get into the vortex of your manifestation or align with your desires. So this you can go after you get few of those initial simple decks. There are hundreds of decks on online. So these are few of my initial decks which I really were on my wish list, and I got them. Our diversity supports our individual freedom. Everybody is different, and that's why everybody is unique. It's a beautiful lesson there, and I think there are how many? 60 cards. Beautiful deck of 60 cards now. So you can even pull out one card every day if you want to understand what's the message or energy of the day, or the guidance for the day. Okay, yeah guys, now you can even Google search Aao Baatein Kare. If you type in Aao Baatein Kare, Google will give you all the platforms Aao Baatein Kare is on. And I really thank all my viewers and subscribers for this milestone that Aao Baatein Kare has reached, because it is not only my milestone or achievement, it is achievement for all my Aao Baatein Kare family. And I have even put up a video and podcast for that. You can go and check it out. Esther and Abraham J. Hicks, dear friends. Okay, so this is relationship. I don't want clarify those I do want. Relationships, I don't want clarify those I have. So what you want, keep your attention on that, not on what you don't want in your next relationship. Life is supposed to be good to me. So these are 60 beautiful cards. So guys, these are my 5 decks. I hope you all enjoy this, and this will inspire or give you an idea which can be your next deck, or you can even use them for gifting. They are very good idea and something very different and unique. Maybe you can start this small passion can start a career for somebody. So you never know what you are meant to do. If this video is forwarded to you, then maybe you are meant to see this, or there is some message for you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Be kind to each other. talk to each other, stay connected with each other. See you again with another video. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.